शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी। शंकर जी की जटा से निकले निर्मल गंगा पानी। कोई कहे तुझे गंगा माता, कोई कहे महारानी, कोई कहे महारानी। तोहे निश्चय फूल चढ़ाए जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। जय जय गंगा माता जो तेरी आरती गावे, वो सुख शांति पावे जो तेरी आरती गावे। हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे, हर हर गंगे जय माँ गंगे। ओम जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता, जय गंगे माता, श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। चंद्र सी ज्योत तुम्हारी, जल निर्मल आता। मैया जल निर्मल आता। शरण पड़े जो तेरी, शरण पड़े जो तेरी, सोनर तर जाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। पुत्र सगर के तारे, सब जग को ज्ञाता। मैया सब जग को ज्ञाता। कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, कृपा दृष्टि तुम्हारी, त्रिभुवन सुख दाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। एक ही बार जो तेरी के त्रास मिटाकर, यम के त्रास मिटाकर परम गति पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। आरती मात तुम्हारी, जो जन नित गाता, मैया जो जन नित गाता। दास वही सहज में, दास वही सहज में मुक्ति को पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। ओम जय गंगे माता। श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। जय गंगे माता। श्री जय गंगे माता। जो नर तुझको ध्याता, जो नर तुझको ध्याता, मन वांछित फल पाता। ओम जय गंगे माता। ओम जय गंगे माता। ओम जय गंगे माता। ओम जय गंगे माता।
ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति, पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम्, मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं, मोक्षमूलं गुरोर्कृपा। मोक्षमूलं शिवानन्दाकृपा। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं, द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं, भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं, नाम गोत्रं न सूत्रं, नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं, न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री। नाकारं नो विकारं, न हि जननमरणं, नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं, नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहजसमरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं, ज्ञानबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानमूलहरणं जन्मकर्मनिवारणं, ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यार्थं गुरुपादोदकं पिबेत्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे नित्यशुद्धं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरु ब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
पाहि मां। श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती पाहि मां। श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती रक्ष मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा पाहि मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा रक्ष मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली पाहि मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली रक्ष मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी पाहि मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी रक्ष मां। सरवण भव सरवण भव सरवण भव पाहि मां। सुब्रह्मण्य 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 रक्ष मां। दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां। दत्तगुरु 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 रक्ष मां। शिवानन्द 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 पाहि मां। शिवानन्द 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 रक्ष मां। जय गुरु शिव गुरु हरि गुरु राम। जगद्गुरु परम गुरु सद्गुरु श्याम। आदि गुरु अद्वैत गुरु आनंद गुरु ओम। चित गुरु चिन्मय गुरु चिन्माया गुरु ओम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। शिवानंदा शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा। शिवानंदा। जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबन्धनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव। ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव गुरु मूर्ति धारी। वेद पुराण बखानत गुरु महिमा जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। जप तप तीरथ संयम दान विरत दीने, गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होवे, बोधि जतन कीने। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। माया मोहन जल जीव बहे सारी, नाम जहान पिता कर गुरु बल में धारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। काम क्रोध मद मत्सर चोर बड़े भारी, ज्ञान करक दे कर में गुरु सब संहारे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। नाना पंथ जगत में निज निज गुण गावे, सबका सार बता कर गुरु मार्ग लावे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। गुरु चरणामृत निर्मल सब बाधक हारी, वचन सुनत तम नाशे सब संशय तारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। तन मन धन सब अर्पण गुरु चरणन कीजे, शिवानंद परम पद मोक्ष गति लीजे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। ओम जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी, जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव।
O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Satchidananda. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, anger and hatred. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold Thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve Thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember Thee. Let us be ever loyal to Thee. Let us ever sing Thy glories. Let Thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O all-merciful Gurudev, every thought of my mind, every emotion of my heart, every movement of my being, every feeling and every sensation, each cell of my body, each drop of my blood, all is yours, Gurudev, yours absolutely, yours without any reserve. Gurudev, you can decide my life or my death, my happiness or my sorrow, my pleasure or my pain. Gurudev, whatever you do with me, whatever comes to me from you, will lead me to your lotus feet. Gurudev, You have provided us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. May we take full advantage of this precious gift of yours, Gurudev. May we look upon the ashram and all its contents as your body and treat them with love and reverence. This is our heartfelt prayer to you, Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् देवदेव शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि माम् चन्द्रवदना मन्दहासा प्रेमरूपा रक्ष माम् चन्द्रवदना मन्दहासा प्रेमरूपा रक्ष माम् मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् मधुरगीता गानलोला ज्ञानरूपा पाहि माम् समस्तलोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्ष माम् समस्तलोका पूजिताय मोहनंगा रक्ष माम् दिव्यगंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् दिव्यगंगा तीरवासा दानशीला पाहि माम् पापहरणा पुण्यशीला परमपुरुषा रक्ष माम् पापहरणा पुण्यशीला परमपुरुषा रक्ष माम् भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथा पाहि माम् भक्तयोगा हृदयवासा स्वामीनाथा पाहि माम् चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्ष माम् चित्स्वरूपा चिदानन्दा नमः शिवाय रक्ष माम् शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 पाहि माम् शिवानन्दा 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 रक्ष माम् शिवानन्दा 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 रक्ष माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय पाहि माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्ष माम् सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय सद्गुरु जय रक्ष माम् गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् गंगारानी 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 पाहि माम् भागीरथी 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 रक्ष माम् भागीरथी 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 रक्ष माम् देव देव
शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि मां देवदेवा शिवानन्दा दीनबन्धो पाहि मां चन्द्रवदना मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्ष मां चन्द्रवदना मन्दहास प्रेमरूपा रक्ष मां।
श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय 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 जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम भगवान शिवानंद जय जय राम श्री राम 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 जय जय राम
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमान हरन भवभयदारुणम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमान हरन भवभयदारुणम्
नवकञ्ज लोचन कञ्ज मुख करकञ्ज पादकञ्जारुणम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमान हरन छवि नवनीर नीरज सुन्दरम्
पटगीत मानहुतारित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम
भजो दीनबन्धु दीनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनम्
भज दीनबन्धु दीनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनम्
रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम
शिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदारयङ्ग विभूषणम्
शिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदारयङ्ग विभूषणम्
आजानुभुज शरचापधर सङ्ग्राम जितखर दूषणम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम
इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेषमुनिमन रञ्जनम्
इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेषमुनिमनोरञ्जनम्
मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादि कलदल गञ्जनम्
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भवभयदारुणम् श्रीराम 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 श्रीराम
जोत से जोत जगाते चलो जोत से जोत जगाते चलो प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो जोत ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगा के चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार का मोती प्यार का मोती उठाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते
ocean of love. He who is an ocean of mercy. He who is an ocean of compassion. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who dwells in the hearts of all. He who controls the minds of all. He who directs the souls of all. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He who is my Guru Deva. He who is my mother and refuge. He who is my divine protector. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He whose actions are pure and selfless. He whose speech is comforting and soft. He whose looks are godlike and soothing. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He whose charity is boundless and limitless. He who gives and gives and gives. He who is known as Shivananda. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 Sita. He whose teachings are simple and practical. He whose thoughts are lofty and divine. He whose writings are blessed by Saraswati. To him I make my salutation. Rama, 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 Sita. Rama, 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 पति भगति तुलसी सार सुदास रामा तुलसी सार सुदास राम नाम पर भरन जुग सावन भादव मास रामा सावन भादव मास सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम राम नाम मन दीप धरो जी हरे हरि द्वार रामा जी हरे हरि द्वार तुलसी भीतर बाहर हो जो चाह सूझियार रामा जो चाह सूझियार सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरणम शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम सकल कामना हीन जय राम भगत रसलीन रामा राम भगत रसलीन नाम सुप्रेम पीयूष हृद तिन्हु किय मन मीन रामा तिन्हु किय मन मीन सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम ब्रह्म राम के नाम भर वरदायक वरदान रामा वरदायक वरदान रामचरित सतकोट महल प्रिय महेश जिय जान रामा प्रिय महेश जिय जान सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम 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 को कल्पतरु कलि कल्याण निवास रामा कलि कल्याण निवास जो सुमिरत भय भांगते तुलसी तुलसी दास रामा तुलसी तुलसी दास सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम राम नाम नर केसरी कनक कसिपु कलिकाल रामा कनक कसिपु कलिकाल चापक जन प्रहलाद जी पालहि दल सुरसाल रामा पालहि दल सुरसाल सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम राम अनंत अनंत गुण अमित कथा विस्तार रामा अमित कथा विस्तार सूर्या जल जुड़वा नहीं जिनके विमल विचार रामा जिनके विमल विचार सियावर रामचंद्र पद जय शरण शंकर हरि ओम जय जय सिया राम राम कथा सुर धेनु सम सेवक सब सुखदान रामा सेवक सब सुखदान सत समाज सुर लोक सब कौन सुने अस जान रामा कौन सुने अस जान सियावर
Bhagavate Shivanandaya. On behalf of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Shivananda and Pujya Swami Sahajananda, we extend a warm and cordial welcome to all to this most auspicious 72nd anniversary of Divine Life Society of South Africa and the 16th anniversary of our Shivananda Ghat. We also extend a special welcome to donors, well-wishers, devotees tuning in for the first time, and those from abroad. We now read from Guru Bhakti Yoga by Sri Swami Shivananda. Rest in the Guru and do what is right. Blind is the man who has not seen the Divine Master. There is but one religion, the religion of devotion and love for the Guru. Devotion to the Holy Preceptor arises when you have no worldly hope. The company of a spiritual teacher will simplify your struggle. Om. We will now read a message from the Board of Management on the 72nd anniversary of Divine Life Society of South Africa and the 16th anniversary of our Shivananda Ghat. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. On this most auspicious 72nd anniversary of Divine Life Society of South Africa, we pay special tribute to our Divine Master, Sri Swami Shivananda, who started this organization. Divine Life Society of South Africa is unique in spiritual history because it was founded by a spiritual master who forced his disciple, in this case Sri Swami Sahajananda, to obey him and carry out his commands. Regarding the activities of the society, the Divine Master gave his assurance in his own handwriting, and I quote, God will look after the divine work. Lord will look after everything. Unquote. We also offer special tribute to Pujya Swami Sahajananda, who acted on Sri Gurudev's instructions to the letter and showered us with love, disciplined us, and guided us on the spiritual, moral, and ethical aspects of life. The Society's phenomenal success in all its endeavors is attributed to the boundless grace of Sri Gurudev and Pujya Swamiji's steadfast loyalty and obedience to our Master. We also offer our deep gratitude to Sri Gurudev and Pujya Swamiji today on the 16th anniversary of the official opening of our Shivananda Ghat. Pujya Swamiji has stated that Shivananda Ghat is the highlight of Divine Life Society of South Africa, and we see evidence of this on a daily basis when many visit the Ghat and find solace in their darkest hours of need. Today, we pay tribute to all our devotees, patrons, donors, well-wishers, and inmates, and to all who serve tirelessly in the various departments. We also pay our reverential respects and tribute to the pioneers of the Society for their invaluable contribution, as well as our sincere gratitude to all the devotees who continue to loyally support and nurture the legacy that Pujya Swamiji has built. There is a great spirit of Guru Bhakti in the effort that many make to ensure the smooth running of all ashram activities. We are confident that many are earning our Master's bountiful grace by their great service. We encourage all to honor Sri Gurudev and Pujya Swamiji by intensifying our sadhana, more especially leading up to the centenary celebrations, that is 100 years of Sri Gurudev Sannyas in 2024 and Pujya Swamiji's 100th birth anniversary in 2025. The Society launched the Likhi Japa and Japa Yoga campaigns in January 2017 as part of our centenary celebrations. Gurudev states that God's name is your only true friend and support, and that the divine name can bring you face to face with the Lord. The extent to which devotees have intensified their sadhana is most encouraging. The cumulative counts since the launch are as follows: Likhi Japa more than 20 million and Japa Yoga more than 208 million. Our ashrams remain closed due to the pandemic and for the safety of our devotees. This provided us with the opportunity to host online satsangs. The number of tune-ins to our online satsangs and programs since the beginning of April last year until the end of May this year was 163,951. Pujya Swamiji stated that our Divine Master's books will be your guide. We are encouraged that devotees are also reading our Gurudev's books regularly and that our printing department has continued to publish and post our Master's literature even during the pandemic. The Honorable Consul General of India in Durban, His Excellency Shri Anish Rajan, said the following on the occasion of Shri Gurudev's 133rd birth anniversary last year, and I quote, "I wish Divine Life Society of South Africa every success and applaud the exemplary work done by the Society in the arenas of Hinduism, education, healthcare, poverty alleviation, and other fields. Let us find comfort, hope, and direction in Swami Shivananda's creed, which states, and he quotes, to be a cosmic friend and cosmic benefactor, to be a friend of the poor, forlorn, helpless, and the fallen, is my creed. It is my sacred creed to serve the sick persons, to nurse them with care, sympathy, and love, to cheer the depressed, to infuse power and joy in all, to feel oneness with each and every creature, and to treat with equal vision." Unquote. The Society continues to build on this proud and rich legacy left by Pujya Swamiji. The Society has completed a total of 615 poverty alleviation projects to date. During this COVID-19 pandemic, by the grace of our Divine Master and Pujya Swamiji, the Society was granted naming rights to 3 medical facilities we contributed to and that were erected at public hospitals around Durban. These are Shivananda King Dinizulu Screening Center, Shivananda Wentworth Flu and Screening Center, and Shivananda R.K. Khan Screening Center. The Society has also provided nutrition in the form of grocery hampers to more than 7,000 needy families via collaboration with civic bodies, temples, and other Hindu organizations. Our Shivananda Ghat has been functioning at optimum level and is providing much needed solace and comfort to the bereaved throughout the lockdown. It is no wonder that Sri Gurudev stated, "My favorite disciples are in South Africa. Even if my mission fails elsewhere, in South Africa it will not. God Himself is looking after the work there." Unquote. Today is also the 16th anniversary of the official opening of our Shivananda Ghat by Pujya Swamiji. The Ghat has proven to be a great boon to us. We are ever grateful to Pujya Swamiji for the foresight and vision that went into creating Shivananda Ghat. We are also greatly indebted to all who have served in the past and those who continue to serve at Shivananda Ghat. Our All Souls Day Havan and Satsangs have continued even through the lockdown. We recently commenced with live streaming of the Havan for the benefit of all. A total of over 33,000 ash disposals and almost 9,000 rituals have been completed at the facility. Shivananda Ghat continues to be a major outlet for our Divine Master's literature. During this COVID pandemic, we have our dedicated Divine Life Society frontline workers who continue to serve and provide solace to the bereaved, and we are most grateful to Sri Gurudev for the grace and protection that He has showered over them as as they perform this most noble duty. Our Puja Swamiji had predicted that the Ghat would work through the night in future. And this came true during the pandemic, when double shifts had to be worked to cope with the unfortunate rise in fatalities. The great light and guiding force of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Shivananda, and the invincible and eloquent guidance of our Puja Swamiji continue to sustain the society. Although no more in their physical forms, but in their subtle forms, their omnipotence, omnipresence, and invisible spirit are present in every facet of Divine Life Society of South Africa and its activities. Their potent spiritual energy continue to nurture and sustain earnest seekers who yearn for spiritual sustenance and guidance. The rich literary legacy, his awesome tapas, his indefatigable energy, his compassion, and his intense passion to serve mankind is what Swami Shivananda left behind for us to emulate, and in so doing, one day to merge in the stupendous bliss of God. Sri Swami Sahajananda, the illustrious and direct disciple of Sri Swami Shivananda, has placed the society in this country on an irreversible trajectory of spiritual grandeur. In closing, we will emphasize Puja Swami Sahajananda's words, and I quote, "We are not tired of reiterating that the formation, growth, and present status of Divine Life Society of South Africa is due entirely to the grace of our Master, Sri Swami Shivananda. Our scriptures and saints never tire of singing the glory of a God-realized Guru and emphatically declare that His grace can achieve miracles." Unquote. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
A saint is a very holy person, one who, according to the Hindu religion, one who has directly had experience of God, who felt God in the heart, who communed with God, who lived in God. His picture you see in front of you on the shrine where the light is burning. And he has written about 250 to 300 books. And those are the books that you are reading, which we have given to you. We have reproduced the books here. So Shivananda was a very great saint. He was born in South India, in the Tamil province. And he was like any ordinary boy, but he was a very clever boy, very brilliant lad. And he was very interested in sports also, very active. And he says that he was quite a mischievous little boy during his youth. He used to love to do exercises. And he was very brave too, but at the same time very kind-hearted to birds and animals and all creatures. And when he grew up, he joined, after his matriculation exam, he joined the medical profession. And having qualified as a doctor, he served for a little while in India, and having a very adventurous spirit, he went to Malaya, and he served there for about 10 years. Recently, the boys you might have seen in our, well, I don't know whether you went inside the place where we stock all our timber, but we received a big shipment of timber for all our desks, and that timber came from a place called Johor Bahru in Malaya, and that is where the great Master Swami Shivananda, he practiced as a doctor. And he was a very, very compassionate man when he was in Malaya, and even before that, a very soft-hearted person who used to love to serve the sick and the poor. And in Malaya he was leading a very good life, a very luxurious life. He had plenty of money, but he used to give money like water. And he used to love the people, love the patients, and no one ever came to his door who was sent away empty-handed. And although he was doing very well in his medical career, he felt that people were not really happy. As we all know, if you open the newspapers, you will see that even though we have money, we have wealth, we have name, we have fame, we have honor, but still in our heart of hearts we feel that we are not really happy at all, because all that does not seem to give us the full happiness that we are really looking for. And it is felt that the only way to get real full happiness is to find out where that happiness is in the heart. See, perhaps it's in God. And that is how he decided that he will give up everything, and he left Malaya in 1924 on the 1st of, somewhere towards the beginning of the year. And he distributed all his wealth, whatever he had, and he came back to India. And he was looking for a place where he could spend his time in prayer, in meditation, to find that happiness. See, we're all seeking for that happiness. Even the person who takes liquor, the person who commits crimes, the person who is looking for money, he's all looking for happiness. You'll find that, why do you take your ice cream twice and thrice and four times? Because you're trying to make that happiness of eating the ice cream perpetual. Why do we go to bioscope so many times? We want to make that happiness unbroken. So we're all looking for happiness, but we're looking for the happiness that is unbroken, perpetual or eternal. So the Master, he came to India and he travelled quite a lot, and he was looking for a place where he can quietly spend his time in meditation and prayer. And so he came to this place in the north of India, or northeast of India, not very far from Delhi, the capital of India, at the foothills of the Himalaya mountains. There's a place called Rishikesh. See? Rishi means saint or a sage. So apparently in the old days there must have been many saints and sages in that part of India. So he came to this place called Rishikesh, and if you go to Rishikesh, it's a very beautiful place at the foothills of the Himalaya mountains. The Ganges comes out of, winds their way out of the mountains there. And there are thousands of monks like myself, and all of them will be wearing this orange-colored robe. And they spend their time in contemplation, in prayer. See? There are many hermitages or ashrams like what we have here, where people go and stay. Most of the monks stay there, and visitors can also go and stay for some time. So he came to this place, and of course at that time he was not a monk. He did not take the vows of a monk. But when he came to Rishikesh, he was sitting one day and he met his master there. Because we all must have a master if you want to really pray to God, and if you want to know the technique of meditation, you must have a master to guide you and help you. Just like we have a teacher also to guide us in school. Or as you're going to have a teacher to teach you carpentry. So also in the spiritual path, you must have a teacher to teach you how to meditate and what experiences you'll get, see, and how to conquer this mind, see. So he met his master there. He was called Swami Vishwananda, and then the master initiated him as a monk. See, as a Swami, it means that you must not get married. Once you become a Swami and take the vows of a monk, then you are not supposed to get married, and you must not own any money, any wealth. You must not earn any money. See? So the master, he stayed there, and he was called Swami Shivananda. Previously was Dr. Kuppasamy. And he stayed there at a place, one of the ashrams, and he used to continue his meditation, but he was a wonderful man. He did not like to stop serving the people. So together with his prayer and meditation, in which he used to spend many hours, he used to serve all the sick people in that area. The sick mendicants used to go and clean their rooms and wash their clothes and feed them and nurse them. And the little money that he had in Malaya, he used that to buy medicine for them. And side by side with that, he used to deeply meditate and study the books. See, how to find God, or how to find this happiness that is within us, that everyone is seeking for. See, even the murderer is seeking for happiness. See, his ultimate goal is happiness. So all of us are going to one day reach that state of happiness that is inside us, within us. And the only way to get it is to conquer this mind, it is to calm the mind, it is to still the mind, it is to purify the mind, then we will feel the power of God inside us. So the Master used to spend many hours in meditating and studying, and after many years, after about 6 years of intense meditation, it's all given in the books that I think you'll be getting a small set of books where the Master talks about himself and what kind of yoga, what kind of practice he did. See? So after 6 years, he was able to get the vision of God inside. And they say that, the saints say, if you get the vision of God, it is the most wonderful vision in the universe. See, everywhere you'll see God's light blazing. Wherever you turn, see, in all names and forms, you'll see nothing but God. And your heart will be filled with joy and with love, with bliss. There'll be no more sorrow, no more pain, no more misery at all. It goes completely. But it requires a long and arduous discipline and practice before you can attain that state. Many have attained it. Saint Martin, that great American Negro, see, he was a great saint. He had also had the vision, the same vision that the Eastern saints have had. And many have had the vision, in the East and in the West also. And after having the vision, people used to come to him to learn, and so the Master, he used to teach them, and they used to become his disciples. And then when lots of disciples accumulated, he went away from that ashram to the right banks of the Ganges river, opposite the place where he was living, and he formed the Divine Life Society to serve mankind better. And today it's quite a big institution there. We have a hospital, we have a printing press, we have a temple, we have an eye hospital where people get free treatment, and there are lots of monks there. And from there he used to write his books and publish his books, and they were sent throughout the world. And he used to love to give. He'll give all his books, most of his books, free to people, and whoever came to him, they never went away empty-handed. They used to love him because he was such a loving and wonderful man. See, he used to give everything that came to him, he used to give it out to the people, and he himself used to live very simply, almost in poverty. He had no luxuries in his room. There was hardly any ventilation even in the room where he stayed for about from around about 1936 to 1963 when he passed away.
Muruga, 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 Muruga. ஞானவேல் முருகா சக்திவேல் முருகா ஞானவேல் முருகா சக்திவேல் முருகா ஐயா முருகா அரோஹர முருகா ஞானவேல் முருகா சக்திவேல் முருகா ஐயா முருகா அரோஹர முருகா அரோஹர முருகா சிவ சிவ முருகா அரோஹர முருகா சிவ சிவ முருகா சிவ சிவ முருகா சிவானந்த முருகா சிவ சிவ முருகா சிவானந்த முருகா 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 திருமால் முருகா 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 திருமால் முருகா முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் ராம ராம 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 போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் ராம ராம போல் ராம ராம போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் ராம ராம போல் ராம ராம போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் ராம ராம போல் ராம ராம போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ ஹரி ஹரி போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண 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 போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கிருஷ்ண கிருஷ்ண போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் முகுந்த மாதவ கோவிந்த போல் கேசவ மாதவ केशव माधव गोविन्द बोल, शिव शिव बोल, शिवानन्द बोल, केशव माधव गोविन्द बोल, शिव शिव बोल, शिवानन्द बोल, केशव माधव गोविन्द बोल, शिव शिव बोल, शिवानन्द बोल, केशव माधव गोविन्द बोल, केशव माधव गोविन्द बोल, मुकुन्द माधव गोविन्द बोल, केशव माधव हरि हरि बोल, मुकुन्द माधव गोविन्द बोल, केशव माधव हरि हरि बोल, केशव माधव हरि हरि बोल, केशव माधव हरि हरि बोल।
शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद शिवानंद शिवानंदा,
शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद शिवानंद शिवानंदा, शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद शिवानंद शिवानंदा, शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद शिवानंद शिवानंदा, नारायण 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 नारायण, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, 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 नमः शिवाय 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 नमः शिवाय, शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा, शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा शिवानंद 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 सद्गुरुदेवा शिवानंद शिवानंद शिवानंद।
राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जाकी रही भावना जैसी हो, जाकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूरत पे कीर्तन तैसी। मैं तुझ को अभिराम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। संकट में तो साथ रहे तो ओ, संकट में तो साथ रहे तो सर पर तेरा हाथ रहे तो सब कुछ है आसान तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। बिन सत्संग विवेक न होई हो, बिन सत्संग विवेक न होई। राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ न सोई, बसे बन के प्राण तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम बोलो जय राम। इस धरती के कण कण में तू ओ, इस धरती के कण कण में तू आते जाते हर क्षण में तू बसा है बन के प्राण तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, जय जय राम राजा राम।
जगन्नाथ माखन घर दिया न बाती। एक तुम्ही धनवान तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, तुझे जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, मुझे जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। दशरथ नंदन रघुकुल दीपक, ओ दशरथ नंदन रघुकुल दीपक। इस तन में है जीवन जब तक, मैं तो जपो अभिराम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, तुझे जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, तुझे जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। वचन पिता का टूट ना जाए, ओ वचन पिता का टूट ना जाए। इस कारण तुम बन बन गाए, बाह दुखों की काम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, तुझे जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, मुझे जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम, बोलो जय राम। तुलसी तेरी महिमा गाए, ओ तुलसी तेरी महिमा गाए। शिव भी तुझको शीश झुकाए, पूजे तुझे हनुमान तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, मुझे जय राम राजा राम। राम सियापति राम तुम्हारा नाम सुखों का धाम, मुझे जय राम राजा राम। जय राम जय बोलो जय सीताराम,
home, kindly take note of the following announcements. We invite devotees and the public to join our online home satsangs via the links on our website. Please join us for the following important online special satsangs this month. Our Shivananda Day satsang is on Sunday, the 6th of June. Ganga Aarti is at 9:50 a.m. followed by satsang. Shri Gurudev's birth date satsang will be on Tuesday, the 8th of June. Ganga Aarti is at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. There will be a Khanda chanting from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Devotees are encouraged to join in the chanting during the hourly sessions. Our Youth Day celebration will be on Wednesday, the 16th of June. A special online program will be streamed from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Our yoga camp is on Sunday, the 20th of June, with a home sadhana program from 6 a.m. until 9:45 a.m. Online yoga camp lessons are from 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. The topics are the Guru Gita with a focus on Bhakti Yoga, and the second topic is Saints and Sages, Ancient and Modern. A special item commemorating the 2021 International Yoga Day will form part of our Yoga Camp Satsang program from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. The most auspicious Ganga Dasera will be observed on Sunday, 20th June. Ganga Aarti is at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, our ashrams and branches remain closed until further notice. Devotees and visitors are respectfully informed that visits to any of our ashrams or branches must be authorized by the Board of Management. We offer special prayers for all those who are ill, those who have lost loved ones, the departed, our frontline workers, and for world peace. We remind devotees to follow all the COVID-19 protocols, guidelines, and the rules for lockdown so as to keep safe. Devotees and the public are reminded that if one is infected or has any symptoms, then one is required to please isolate and follow the doctor's advice. Pujya Swamiji has given elaborate descriptions in our books of the value of the Mahamrityunjaya mantra, Agnihotra, and Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees are urged to continue with these practices regularly for their own safety and protection. Agnihotra will also help to bring rain. As per Pujya Swamiji's advice, the Mahamrityunjaya mantra should be repeated all the time while driving. If we cannot repeat the mantra all the time, then repeat it as often as possible. It will help to prevent accidents, robberies, hijackings, and other calamities. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनान् 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 मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात्
श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक विघ्न विनायक श्री गणेश जय जय आरती वेणुगोपाल वेणुगोपाल वेणुलोला जय जय आरती अंजनेया अंजनेया हनुमंता जय जय आरती दत्तात्रेय दत्तात्रेय त्रिमूर्ति अवतारा जय जय सद्गुरुनादा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान विश्वानंदा जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय।